Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be shouting out to Yoppie. I hope I'm saying that right, Yoppie. They are so kind to gift me this little trio here. Oh my god, it is so good. I already opened this mood food, as you guys can see. So actually I tried one of these tablets out already, or capsules. It's like comes with 28 capsules. You take one a day. So Yoppie is basically a brand. I'm going to make sure I leave the links for you guys as well. They do organic cotton stuff for us ladies, and I'm definitely going to be sharing with you over a few months how I feel about them and give my review. This is my first impression, so I already tried the mood food. So you get a choice of different pills you can take or capsules, or you can call it food supplements as it says here, and they're suitable for vegetarians, vegans, and I chose the mood food one. And there's different ones you can choose from depending on your mood throughout your menstrual cycle or your period, our time. Us women have our time of the month. So for your time of the month, you can choose which of the pills that you want, which type of pads you want, and which type of pantyliners you want. Okay, so they were kind enough to gift me 14 pantyliners, 8 nighttime pads, and the mood food capsules. So I chose the mood food capsules because of these ingredients. You guys can see, like, really good stuff right here. Especially I love lemon balm and passion flower. I've been really excited to try those out, and the ashwagandha root, right? I hope I'm saying that right, but I really love all of these stuff. I'm an advocate for natural and holistic remedies when it comes to living your life and good lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, all of that, staying mindful. So the mood food was definitely my type. I was drawn to another type, but I was like, let me choose this one. So I'm going to open the liners and I'm going to open the pads and show you guys what they look like. I was trying to open it, but I was like, let me wait. I don't want to rip the boxes just as yet, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys what each of them look like. And yeah, so to give you guys any information, you guys can look up the brand if you want. So it is PETA approved, vegan friendly, and it's better than those other brands that do plastic pads. We don't need plastic pads in 2021. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and open these because I haven't seen what they look like. I've only seen them online, so I'm very curious to see. Yeah, pads for night thinkers. Oh, I like that. I like that. Oh, let's see what this one says. Super handy go-to liners. Yes. So yeah, let's go ahead and open them. I've talked enough. So with the mood food capsules, they look like this, filled with goodness. You take one of these a day, and yeah, they should be helping you with your period. They should help you with different things, hormonal balance. Yeah, they're really good for different things. So you definitely look on their website to see which one of these pills you would like to add every month with your pads. So yeah, these are easy to swallow for me anyways. They might be a bit big for other people, but basically, let me give you a little rundown. It said the reality is periods can usher in a range of physical, mental, and hormonal symptoms. So we decided to make a period gear designed with real life in mind. Okay, so these pills are like food for the mood, powered by the best ingredients to pull the brakes on the emotional roller coaster you can, sometimes go through. So yeah, let's go ahead and take out little bits. I don't know, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so that's a little sample of what they look like. Try not to let it run away. So there we go. That's your pill. Let me know if it's too big for you guys, what you think. Would you take these every month with your, your other things that you do to get over any cramps and hormone imbalance and everything like that? Like, I feel like this can definitely help me. I've tried one so far and it's good. I'm going to keep taking them every day and see how it helped me throughout the whole month. So I opened the panty liners and wow, these, you can tell they're actually 100% cotton. Just look at that. you can see everything. Like the softness as well of these are amazing. Like wow, I'm flabbergasted right now. Like let me just give you guys the fibers. You can see everything. Everything. And it's good to know what you're putting on your skin. A lot of people are, allergic to some of the panty liners, or even, oh my god, the pads that we had to wear growing up, and all these things we had to put on our skin, inside our bodies. Like it was just not it. So I'm really, really happy for Yoppie to come out with these super soft panty liners. They are definitely organic cotton. I love it so, so much. And yeah, it's really super soft. It's definitely good for if you have allergies, as I said, or sensitive skin. I'm liking these. Definitely gonna come in handy. All right. So as I said, with these, they come in a little box like this with different panty liners you can take out. And it's wrapped in this little plastic. I don't think this plastic is detrimental to the environment, because it is definitely a vegan product. So with these panty liners, you get 14 in here. So if you definitely want to try out Yoppie, you definitely get your money's worth, and you'll be looking after your skin. And yeah, you're down below, your lady garden needs this softness. Okay, so I'm gonna open the pads now and see and show you guys. These are the nighttime pads. Again, super soft. Like, oh my god, these are so soft. And they're all wings. Like, I think most of their pads are winged. So if you like wings, yes, these are handy. We all need some wings, okay? But look at the fibers of this. You can definitely tell these are 100% cotton, baby. Like, wow, there's no plastic in these, like the other pads that you normally wear. The big brands, there's no plastic at all. The only plastic, as I said, is just the outer wrapping. Not sure if it's 100% plastic, but yeah, we have this little paper here to peel off and use straight away. It comes like that. I will not take it off this bit because it's protected. But yeah, you peel it off. Basically, you know how to use it. But definitely try out these, because I feel like the quality for what you're going to be getting, and they're super strong and last long. They're super long as well. So yeah, if you like nighttime pads like I do, I like the long pads because I feel like they just stay in place. And then when it has wings, that's even better. And then these panty liners will come in handy as well when you're finishing your periods, and they feel actually sturdy and strong. I really like the packaging and how it looks and everything like that. So yeah, look at that. I'm amazed by the quality of the pad itself. Like, this is what it's about. This is what we need to get into. If you don't use menstrual cups and or other vegan or friendly organic stuff like this, if you want to try out the better pads on the market, or you didn't know these kind of pads were on the market, yes, they are. So get your hands on some Yoppie. If I can get a link from them, I will definitely try. If not, just go on the website and try it out. I feel like they are really, really affordable. And again, you also get, lastly, I'm going to repeat one more time, you get a mood food or some kind of pill supplement, food supplement with your pads and panty liners every month. And you get a 28 capsules, one per day. This one I'm taking is good for positive psychological function and normal mental performance. So yeah, I want to think clearly while I'm having my period, baby. And yeah, function, no mood swings, nothing like that. This is definitely going to be helping with that while we are going through our cycles. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any more videos like these where I share stuff brand sent to me, or PR, any PR unboxing, stuff like that, because I do get sent stuff, I just don't show it all the time. Please let me know what you'd like to see. I definitely will be showing you guys some more of Yoppie stuff when they do send me my monthlies. But yeah, if you want to see more, make sure you check out their website. I told you that they're very, very good, vegan friendly, and 100% cotton. Like, we need cotton, ladies, cotton to breathe down there. Okay, like, look at that, look at that. It can't compare this to nothing else. It's breathable. You can see through it. Like, wow. All right, I'm done talking. Have a nice day, guys. And yeah, look after yourselves. You need to. And I'm just glad that Yoppie is here to help us with that right now. So try them out and let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys very soon.